In this class, we are going to discuss about the regression. Least square method is statistical method which is used to find line of the best form of equation, which is expressed as y is equals to mx plus b. To the given data, the curve of equation is called as regression line, which decrease the sum of squares, and it is easy to possible to find the difference between observed value and corresponding values. In this expression, y is known as dependent variable. M is called as slope of the least square line, and x is the independent variable. Finally, the b is value of y which intercept the square line equation of regression line. Limits of this regression is, it is possible only the relationship between two variables. When the data is not evenly distributed to their method, it is very sensitive to the outliers. It is very possible for the relationship between two variables. When the data is not evenly distributed their method, it is unreliable to outliers, which is unassumed data. Okay. And in this regression linear method, the multiple linear is there. The expression of the multiple linear is y I is equals to f of x xi comma b plus ei, where the y is denoted as dependent variable. Everywhere you can see y is dependent denoted as dependent variable. Okay, f is function, xi is independent variable, ei is error variable, and b is unknown parameter. Here you can observe the graph which is least regression line. And next topic is probability. Probability. This probability is coin tossing method, which means 50-50 chances of the given event. Okay, the probability of a given event is fraction of half of the times that event occur. In this probability, there are three types of the distributions are there. They are binomial distribution, normal distribution, and Poisson distribution, where the p is denoted as probability. There are chances to have outcomes, 50-50 chances to get the outcomes. Here one expression is there. Probability is between the small r and capital R. It is possible divised by total number of absents. The experimental probability is divided by the empirical probability. We can see an example. Okay, 60 of 82 pharmacy graduates are employed in the past probability of the particular graduate. What is the oblique here in the major area? Now we are going to take the time to use the probability expression, which is P of E is equals to 60 by 82. 60 means possible variables, and 82 which denotes the total number of variables. Okay, which is divided by 60 by 82, then the outcome is 0.73. Now normal distribution. This normal distribution is systematic and it shows the data which near to the mean. The more frequent occurrence are data for the grammatically appeared as a curve. The mean, median, mode are equal to one another. These values are represent peak of the distribution when it falls around the mean width of the defined standard deviation. The characteristics of the distribution is measure of degree squares is 0. Distribution in the relation measure which thickness is expressed by the formula, where f is function of the probability, x is the value of variable, and sigma is the standard deviation. And second distribution is binomial distribution. In the binomial distribution, the outcomes are performing a series of tests which there are only two possible outcomes are getting head or tail. By according to the Bernoulli's distribution, which is also called as binomial distribution. It is a type of frequency distribution which is used for exactly two outcomes from the each try. When we toss a coin, there is 50 chances to get the head and 50 chances to get the tail. Okay. Next one, Poisson's distribution. Here the Poisson's distribution is invented by the Poisson's scientist. It is a discrete distribution that measures the probability of the given number of events which happened in a period of time, where the lambda is average number and E is the mathematical value. X is denoted as a Poisson's random ratio. This is about the regression and its types and probability and its types. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel Hemâ Phârmâ Seâ.